Welcome back to another video. We're going to be installing a set of smoked lens LED switchbacks on the 2025 GMC 3500 Denali Ultimate Dually. The tools we're going to be using today are pretty simple, one of which will be a small flathead screwdriver, as well as a T15 Torx bit. Let's get to it. Now the first thing we need to do is remove the upper glass. To do so, I'm going to kind of push in the top left corner, poke that bottom one out, and we're going to insert the screwdriver from the bottom right hand corner. And what we're going to do is start to kind of pry between the mirror itself and then the motor behind it. So I switched to a bigger screwdriver. I thought the camera was running, apparently it was not. Sticking it up and in, give it a little twist, and it did pop right out. Now we're just going to disconnect the little connectors back here and move on to the bottom mirror. Looks like I might be able to kind of see the channel of the bottom mirror. Now that we've got the top and bottom mirrors out, the next thing we'll remove is the shroud. To do so, we'll take out the 4 screws in the 4 corners with the T15 bit. Now if you do have one of these cargo lights, you will want to remove the connector directly behind it. And then this thing is just loose in there, so apparently you need to hold on to that. And then once you have that cargo light disconnected, you will have to give this a little bit of a pull. And be careful because this is just loose in there, and I dropped mine. The next thing coming out is going to be this little motor itself. We'll be using the same T15 Torx bit, 2 screws at the bottom, 2 screws at the top. Now there is one little connector on the back. Now there are 3 more T15s that have to come out before we can change this mirror light. One at the left side, one on the right side, and then one in the upper right corner. So now that we've got those last 3 screws out, the light is loose. We're gonna pull out this little connector. So with the connector removed, we're gonna be pulling the mirror back and out to the halfway position just to loosen this shroud up a little bit. So now that we've got it in the halfway position, we should be able to kind of pull this back a little. How you doing? And carefully slide it out. Hopefully the new one goes in a little easier than that one came out. Try our best not to scratch this thing up. Oh yeah. That went in much easier than the old one came out. I'm gonna slide it back into position. That way the shroud kind of tightens down on it and it's in place. I'm gonna reconnect this little connector here. Let's start putting this thing back together. Pretty big difference between the two. Man, I did just notice I don't think these have spotlights in them. I also don't know how to work the original spotlights. I've never been able to turn them on. Maybe you guys could let me know in the comments. We'll see how these look. We might end up upgrading these. Let's see. Now the next thing we're gonna do is install our mirror motor. You're gonna wanna make sure this is orientated properly, and to do so, you're gonna locate the connector on the back of the motor itself and make sure that that is positioned in the top, like the top part. The text is gonna kind of be sideways no matter which way you install it. But yeah, you're gonna want that connector in the top part of the motor. So we're also going to be installing the 3 screws just to secure the shroud. Next thing going back is going to be the big shroud as well as this little bottom trim piece. This thing does kind of snap in and kind of hangs there, but it is still loose, so you're probably going to want to hold this just until you get this thing locked up. Bottom mirror going back on first. Top mirror going back on next. Ooh. Pinched a wire. Quick fix. Now one thing I do want to make sure of real quick is just that I put that little motor in right and that the up and down works proper. Let's find out, shall we? It does. Let's go. Cool. So with that, we'll move on to the next mirror. All right, so I didn't film myself doing the second one, but I did time myself. 16 minutes. So this should definitely be doable in under an hour. So they do look great. No spotlight. I don't really think I care. We'll see. We are lucky enough to have a couple of lovely assistants today. Say hello. Hi.